Hi. All right, so I've decided I'm going to test them all because, of course, I have to. I want to make sure that they are as sharp as possible. And what I'm going to do is the first order gets the sharpest knife. Now, what am I aiming for? Well, I would like for them to be all, of course, under 150 because nothing leaves this workshop unless it's under 150. And 150 can be tested by sliding through the tally ho. So I test most of my knives with this because it's the equivalent to about 150 or better. But wouldn't it be awesome if I could get them all under 100? I think that's what you're paying for, is the best, sharpest knives that I can produce, given all the experiences that we've had up until now on this channel. So I don't see any reason why not. These are very thin knives. They're 0.25 millimeters under, and we'll measure them all just to make sure that they're all good. So without further ado, what I'm going to do is unwrap them all, move the boxes over, lay them all out, and then we'll get to testing. All right, so here's a bit of time lapse so you don't have to sit through all that. Okay, so let's start testing. $151, $131, $98, $119, $99, $121, $96, $101, $122, $93, $109, $125, $106, $94, $97, $95, $133, $160, $87, $129, $129, that's it. So that was interesting. They came in not too bad. I think the highest one was 161, the lowest was 87. So I'll put it back to you. what should I do with them? Should I sharpen them all? Every single one of them. Put it through my paces, give it the kangaroo strop, do the best I can, as I always do, and see if I can get those scores down. Should I leave the ones that are under 100 as they are? Should I run them all on just the SG250, or should I give them all a quick pass on the Japanese stone? See if I can get them lower as possible. What do you think I should do? If this was your knife, what would you want me to do? So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to wait for feedback in the comments. Let me know how I should proceed. I think that 161 needs a bit of a touch. So I could also just run them on the kangaroo strop, give them a quick tidy up, see if that improves their score. That'd be interesting. So lots of choices there. Let me know what you think I should do. This is all about you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.